What's up, guys? Mike here. Oh boy, do I got some great news for you guys, because I just see that the market is going to start moving up from here. It has been down pretty severely. It has been taking a nice beating, but I am starting to become bullish again, and I think the market will move up from here. We're going to go over some charts and technical analysis as to why I feel the market is about to start moving back up. All of that will be done in this video. Also, guys, start buying Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH. I think that is the cryptocurrency that is going to make the best moves and the most safest moves, because it has become a lot more stable now. It is becoming much more stationary, a lot more stabilized, and it is not following Bitcoin's drop as much anymore. And pretty much, if you're in Bitcoin, you need to move majority of your money from Bitcoin to Ethereum, because Ethereum is the way to go. You can buy some altcoins just for the hype and the pump and dumps. That's going to be up to you, but I think we are going to be moving up more in Ethereum, and more from here. The S&P should be moving right back up, and I'm going to go over all of that. Also, guys, Elon Musk has been doing some crazy stunts. He's trying to cover his tracks. He's been destroying himself pretty much with the tweets he's been posting on Bitcoin, and he's just self-destructing himself. Anyways, so we're also going to go over why I think the S&P should move up, right? Just Biden recently just tweeted that about masks and vaccinations. We're going to go over all of that in this video, and we're going to do so much more, and I'm going to help you guys out to make the best more moves and decisions for you. With that said, guys, let's waste no further time. Make sure you always smash that like button, destroy that like button, turn it blue. Also, subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my channel. And also, join our Patreon page. Come trade with us. We have been waiting very patiently for this bottom, and our Patreon members haven't been getting burnt because of this, because we have been waiting patiently in order to take advantage of this massive dip. Anyways, guys, with that said, let's waste no more time. Let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's check out what is going on with the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Pretty much this represents the S&P 500, and so far over the last few months, if not years, every time the SPY hits the 50-day simple moving average, it pretty much bounces right back up. And we're going to go quickly over that because there's a lot I want to cover in this video. And as we can see, the earliest 50-day we can see is right here. It hit the 50-day moving average right here. Pretty much this blue line is your 50-day, and it bounced right back up, moving right back up. We had another 50-day crunch time, right back up, 50-day crunch time, and a massive rally. Now, people thought tech stock was over, right? They thought techs right here, the massive February crash right here, you want to call it. People thought it was the end of tech stocks, right? And then what happens? Tech stocks pretty much rallied this market to the moon, right? And then again, we have this huge crash coming again. It happened, and we just hit the 50-day moving average again yesterday. And if you were in my group, I told everyone it's going to hit around 400 to 405, and pretty much we were very close to the money. It hit 404, and today it just started moving right back up. And right now I am pretty bullish because there are several news that are going to lead this market right back up. MACD and TSR is going to be behind a little bit. They're not going to be able to catch up, right? The market has been fundamentally destructive. Every time it hits around here, it just goes to show you that market tends to move back up, right? It just goes around the 40s and 30 RSI levels, and it starts moving back up. I'm telling you guys, every time when you hit 70 RSI, you need to stop being greedy, and you got to take some profits off the table. And look what happened. If you would have took profits anywhere here, you would have been good, because you would have had a great buying opportunity here, and pretty much several times before it dumps right back on top of you, right? This should have been your profit opportunity takers, right? Because we hit 70 plus RSI, and market came back down, and you're about to be able to load up again, right? Do not force trades when it is not necessary. Only force it when you see a good bullish move. And we are seeing a nice stage 2 breakout right here. We got a definitely nice breakout today, right? It just had a nice stage 2 breakout. We hit already 47 RSI. That's pretty good. And there's a lot of good news coming up. One of them being that the CDC announced that if you're vaccinated, you no longer need to wear masks inside, indoors, or outdoors, right? And then Biden is like, I'm gonna make a statement, right? And then what he does today, he says, new rule: you got vaccinated, you don't need to wear a mask anymore. You don't? Well, you got to get vaccinated, or you're gonna be forced to wear a mask the whole time. Which I don't know how he's going to really mandate this or enforce this. Why? Because how will anybody know who has vaccinations when they go to the supermarket? Are they going to just pretty much ask everybody to bring out their cards and show them they got their vaccination card and then just go inside the market without any masks? Who'll know? Who sees? Right? We don't know yet, but anything could happen. It's just crazy that he's trying to pretty much force people to get vaccinated. I just don't feel that's right. I think it should be an option for people who want to get vaccinated. It shouldn't be something that's going to be pressured on people. This is a democracy, right? We're living in a tyrant country. This is a democratic constitutional country, which is crazy, right? So pretty much SPY had some great moves today. It made some nice comebacks from all the way. Look at that crazy drop, right? It closed at 405 and we're already back to 410, right here. 405 was the close and we're already back up $5 on the SPY. Moving average was pretty good. We're back up. And anyways, guys, let's move on to why I think Ethereum is the better buying opportunity right now over Bitcoin. Pretty much yesterday, Elon Musk tweeted a huge announcement saying he has suspended anybody buying Tesla with Bitcoin. And he's saying like it's just increasing in fossil fuel usage and fuels and coal and emissions. It's not like you didn't know this, brother, right? It's not like this is brand new, something newly developed information. It's been out there for years. I don't know why he's changing his opinion on Bitcoin all of a sudden. It's absolutely ridiculous that he's just like, you didn't know this before? Like, this is something brand new to you? It just doesn't make sense. So pretty much he's causing massive destructions in Bitcoin, right? And then we also have saying he believes in Bitcoin, right? He's trying to control damage, right? He's trying to control the damage he caused to his own company because he said, I'm not taking Bitcoin anymore. Well, this is quality damage control when he's saying, but I still believe in it, right? I believe in crypto. And he's saying, should we take Dogecoin instead now? You know, he's trying to like cover his tracks of his unforgiving move he just did. He just cost his shareholders thousands of dollars, if not, millions, if not billions of dollars with that one stupid tweet right here, right? What a dumb tweet. He just costed himself a lot of money. He costed the stock a lot of money. He costed his company a lot of money because he still owns Bitcoin in the stock. He hasn't sold it yet. It just retarded to me he would make such a dumb tweet unless he sold all his Bitcoin in the stock, which I'm pretty sure he didn't because he said he has not and he's still holding it and it's still on their balance sheet. All right, guys, Ethereum is the future. Let me tell you guys why, right? Over the last few weeks, Ethereum has pretty much broken away from Bitcoin. It is not trading like Bitcoin. Let me show you what I mean, right? The last week, Ethereum, right, it went up, right? What happened to Bitcoin the last week? All it has been doing is going on a downturn, right? Even the last month, Bitcoin has been doing a downturn. But what happened with Ethereum? Ethereum, the last month, still shooting up, right? Ethereum is breaking away from the Bitcoin chain and it is making its own moves. And you guys need to be part of this herd. You need to make the right moves. You guys have to be part of the coin that is going to be constantly moving up, the one that has a better hedge against the market, better hedge against inflation. Inflation is ridiculously high. If you were part of my Patreon group, I told you guys to buy Bitcoin, and pretty much, I think 37, 38, even 30, anything below even 3,800 is a good buying opportunity. A lot of people saying Ethereum will hit $10,000 by the end of the year. I'm not as optimistic. Usually when everybody is saying it's going to hit 10,000, it does not, right? They keep saying Dogecoin is going to hit $1. And during SNL, it hit 75 cents and then dropped massively. Right now it's around 50 cents almost, because again, Elon just pumped it. It hit here. Elon was like, he's pumping it again. He's always pumping this stock. He's saying working with Doge developers to improve tracking and efficiency and promising. And as soon as he tweeted that, right, boom, we got a huge about 20% jump from its bottoms. It just massive pop. All right. So Ethereum, I think, is going to be the best hedge. If you want to take super high risk, go with Dogecoin. I'm not touching that. I personally am a Ethereum fan and a Bitcoin fan. Although Bitcoin, I see them not doing as great, but I think Bitcoin will constantly go up. I still think Bitcoin has a chance to go hit 80 to 100,000 this year. But Ethereum, everyone's saying it's going to hit 10,000. I think it's going to only hit 8,000, right? So what does that mean? You're going to pretty much double your money, which is pretty good. That is fine. As long as you're making some dough, that's good too, right? So if you can manage to get this below 3,800 and trade it with me, do it if you can, if you want. It's a great buying opportunity. At least to me it is. I personally love trading this, and I think Ethereum is going to constantly break away from Bitcoin and keep moving up, right? The last 3 months, even if we look at the chart from the last 3 months with Bitcoin, it's just stagnant. All right, it just goes up, stays up, down, up, right back down. This is probably going to go somewhere here, right? We're probably going to see it hit somewhere around 53, 54,000 within the next few weeks, right? I still think Bitcoin will move up, right? It doesn't mean this is the end of Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin has room to grow back up. Like I said, I think by the end of the year, we'll see Bitcoin at around 80 to 100,000. And just the same with Ethereum. A lot of people saying Ethereum will hit 10,000. I think it can only go to 8,000. But still, that is still a double your money opportunity. Ethereum is breaking away from Bitcoin, and the possibilities is pretty much endless with how much returns you can make on this, right? So make your trades, do them wisely. Always hedge your position if you're going to be buying the SPY, right? If you're going to get into SPY, make sure you do hedge your position with how? With your TQQQ and SQQQ, right? These are your hedges. You need to be hedged every time you're making trades in a super high volatile pretty much market, right? We're about to hit the 200-day moving average here, and we didn't, right? It's been holding pretty strongly compared to previous time we had a massive downturn, right? It's been holding very nicely. SQQ, it is not something you want to hold long term. It just fundamentally one of the worst decisions anybody can make, and that's to hold SQQ long term. But it has been doing well, except today it pretty much is going to be getting maxed out and moving back down, at least to what I see, back to probably around $10 I think TQQ has a great opportunity to move back up. A lot of tech stocks are massively down, and look at that. Look at how beautiful this stock trades, right? It hits around 32 RSI, and it starts moving back up. It is beautiful. When you know how charts work, when you see how charts trade, it just becomes very beautiful and interesting to trade them, all right? So TQQ, I think, has a lot of potential to grow up from here, and I think you guys need to keep your eyes closely on your trades, on your charts, on your technical analysis, because they are all very important. And of course, company fundamental is extremely important. Look at where Tesla is right now. Tesla can start probably moving up from here. Every time we hit below 30 RSI, Tesla has moved some massive moves right back up. We might see it around 40 to 50 RSI, 55 max RSI back up. So maybe around 650 to 675 it could go up. Even 700 is possible. It could do that. Tesla is a massive growth stock. It is a massive market mover. We can see it moving quickly back up, and thanks to Elon today making stupid tweets on Bitcoin, he caused his own stock to hit the 200 SMA, and I think it'll move up tomorrow, right? I see tomorrow a nice move even for Tesla. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys there, I post some sells there. Honestly, most of that will be done on the Patreon page, so make sure to check that out. Come join with us, come trade with us. Check my Patreon page, link in the description box below. Also leave a comment below, let me know what other stocks you would like me to cover or do a video on, or if you have a question on a specific stock, I'd be happy to help you out. So leave a comment below. Also guys, do not miss out on the promotion going on right now with WeBull, where they are giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up, just use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 total stocks for free, and 2 of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $1,850 right now. So check the link in the description box below for this promotion. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check the link for that one too. And finally, we have Robinhood, who is also just starting to have 24-hour option people where you can give a call and get help for options. So check out Robinhood. Link in the description box below for a free stock on that one. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.